Welcome to Next AI. Always on the outlook for great AI things and tools, things to make our everyday life easier. And boy, I'll tell you, for print on demand and especially Etsy sellers, this is going to blow your mind. Anybody else can kind of use it too. They'll just have to copy and paste into their listings if they're on other platforms. And the good news is also this will be coming, they're going to hook it up to Amazon merch in the future. Pretty soon, I guess. I'm thinking, I guess they've already turned over what they need to do to over to Amazon. Now the ball's in Amazon's court, so that should be coming soon. I think you can hook it to the Shopify store as we speak. And I hear WooCommerce is coming soon or next after they get Amazon all squared away, I think. Anyways, this this tool is called MyDesigns. It's free to try. And it is a paid tool once you get going. But it's going to save you so much time, especially if you need to do bulk listings. But I'm going to show you some things here that'll just blow your mind, even if you're uh, just starting out, you want to get more listings up, or your world may be. And it can be print on demand. It can also be for digital items also, okay? So to save time here, you can see I put in a prompt here into this Dream AI section. And this is what it came up with for little Yorkie boys with their sunglasses on. So anyways, I'm going to select this one, save this to a listing that I've already started to save time with having to upload things and whatnot. So we're not going to upscale it, which you do have that option. But for this demo, I just don't want to waste the time on that. I want to get to the good stuff here. So I've got to select a file slot where we're going to put it's in the main file because that's your print file. Okay, so we're going to save to listing and we're going to store to image. Okay, now we'll go to our listings and it should be there. Yeah, I did it twice by mistake. I made a mistake earlier in the recording, but this is how you get rid of the listing. Just click on it, go to all actions and delete listing. Okay, I'll delete that listing. So now we have one here. And these are other files. I downloaded a coloring page, a cookbook, a t-shirt design or, print on canvas, and a resume to show that you can do digital documents and things and on this, in this thing. It's just amazing. So anyways, we're going to go up here. We're going to select all these listings, select all. Okay, and we're going to go over here. This is what I want to show you. This is what I'm trying to get at. This Vision AI right here. It's going to write your title, your tags, and your description. And it does a really, really good job. It may not be perfect all the time. You can edit, but let's take a look here. So we're going to pick the main file because that's where our main photo is. So it's going to look at it. It's going to actually see what this is. Now, if you're doing t-shirts, if these were all t-shirts, you can select t-shirt here. But for now, I'm going to say digital. Okay? And we want the title filled in, the description filled in, and the tags. Now you can have product features. You can actually pick specific problems, like an 11-ounce mug, and like that's on Printify and your printing partners. You can add custom instructions here. If it was really something different, maybe it was a digital magnet, or what if it wasn't in products or something. You can customize to giving information data to this Vision AI. Okay, but for what we have right now, this is just fine. Okay, so we're going to say generate the listing data. Yes, run Vision AI. And now it's going to go to work here. Now, what's going to happen is it's just going to fill in all this information. It's going to save you a ton of time. It's amazing how fast and good this works. And you see, I have all these listings here. And it will then, I have my account connected to Etsy. So then it will send it to Etsy drafts when I click publish and whatnot. And then I can upload from there. And that's great that it goes to drafts. So then you get to give it a final look over. And you're not being automatically charged your listing fees, your 20 cents it is at this time. Anyways, so here you go. Here we go. See, that didn't take all that long. I let it go in real time. Stylish Yorkshire Terrier, digital art, cool dog with sunglasses, illustration, pet portrait, printable wall decor, home artwork download. Now, as you can see, that's a pretty good title for the information. We didn't put any product specifics or anything on that other part that I showed you earlier. But what it did, look at these tags here. Cool dog decor, pet lover gift, printable dog art, sunglasses dog print, digital download, which we all know that's coveted when you're in digital world. Home decor print, animal illustration, hipster dog design. I would have never thought of that one. There's a good one. Modern pet portrait, digital pet art, furry friend artwork, canine print, and quirky animal print. Now, maybe you weren't happy with one of these. You could just click on it and remove it, and you can put in something else right here. Okay, now here's the description it came up with. Add a touch of quirky fun to your living space. This digital portrait of a stylish Yorkshire Terrier. Donning cool orange sunglasses, perfect for dog lovers and contemporary art enthusiasts. This high-resolution printable wall decor captures a playful spirit of your favorite furry friend. Instantly download and print at your home or through your preferred printing service to bring a splash of personality to any room. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this digital art piece is a charming and unique addition to any collection. So as you can see, I mean, I would struggle to do much better than that. I mean, you can add all sorts of other stuff. Maybe you didn't like the word quirky up here, you just delete it and just select it and get rid of it. Okay. Now on to the next one. Now look at it. I didn't have to even tell it that this was a coloring page, but it recognized that printable Easter coloring page, cute bunny with egg flowers, digital download, kids activity, fun holiday craft, art, PDF, JPEG. Even puts the, types the file that it is. So, and then here you go, all the tags, and, get ready for some Easter fun with this adorable digital coloring page. I mean, it's great, it does a nice job. This one here, it knows it's a cooking book, cooking recipes, digital cookbook, healthy and easy meals, instant download, vegetarian soup and dessert. Once again, if there were no vegetarian recipes in here, you can just delete this, okay? Same thing here. Like you can just delete the vegetarian dishes. Um, or maybe it is all vegetarian, and you can delete this other stuff that's in there, like maybe breads if it were a keto thing. But dive into this culinary adventure with our extensive digital cookbook featuring over 500 recipes that cater to a variety of tasting preferences. See, it does a good job, you know. This one here, vintage archer on horseback, retro style digital art, boho chic. There's coveted. Home decor, wall art, downloadable, print, gift for archery lovers. I wouldn't have thought of that, but hey, maybe that's just another audience that it would bring in, you know, even though this is zodiac Sagittarius, but other people may look at it differently. So that's cool. I would have never thought of that. Okay. And once again, step back to bygone era of vintage inspired digital print. It's now like right here. Okay, print featuring an archer on horseback. Okay, see, I didn't quite understand what that was, but hey, that'd be no problem to correct here. Okay, you just have to select it and put Sagittarius in there. Okay, so then here we go. Here's a resume. Okay, totally digital. Okay, look at it. They picked it up here. Professional resume template. Modern CV design, instant download, editable in MS Word. 1 and 2 pages, cover letters, job application. Now, okay, this one, it picked up that it's editable in MS Word, but maybe it was designed for Canva, which we all love the tool that we're in the digital and stuff. So, you just, take this out and put Canva in there. Make a lasting impression with this modern professional resume template. Blah, blah, blah. This is fabulous. Here we go, once again. Job application, cover letter, modern resume. This is, all great keywords. If you're in that niche, you may have better keywords. Well, just take some out and add what you find works for your audience better. But as you can see, this just saves a ton of time. You know, you can even, sorry, I had to step away there. I've opened up a different file because I want to show you how to use this mockups. You can bulk create mockups, which is really, really great. We want to click this. You got to have one of the pro plans to do this, otherwise you have to do it like one at a time. But you can do multiple mockups here, which is a great time saver. We can go here and say we want the Bella and canvas. I don't want this one. The 3001 that, is very popular with Printify and most print on demand items. As you can see here, it has a size chart, which would end up in slot 2. No, okay, mockup 1. Okay, no, we're good. And I get confused on this sometimes. Yeah, it will go to the next file slot that's available. Anyways, right here, the text color is in black. We know that all these zeros means black, which is right here. But the t-shirt is going to come out in black. If we want it to stay white, then you just have to put in the hex code, which for white is, and so then in the mockup, the t-shirt will stay white. Okay. And this will make this mockup for each of the 4 items, pictures we have. Okay. Let's go up here. Let's try stickers. And let's do die cut sticker. Okay. And go to drinkware. Just for laughs. This is going to be great on a, but well, here, let's choose something like this. 20-ounce skinny tumbler. Okay, and we're going to generate these. Okay, so as you can see, they're processing here. Now, we can also make a video mockup. If you have something really special or will do, then yeah, go ahead and make your videos the way I always do. But for like all these things like stickers and regular t-shirts and what, you know, this mockup works out really great and it's such a time saver. Okay, as you can see, all these have generated. They're in their slots. I'm going to show you in a better view here. Okay, here was the size chart. You have to click that to, gotta double click it. And now you can see each different dog is on here. Okay, the t-shirts in a black. The ears are cut. I didn't get to make those perfect, but and here's the stickers. And these are the die cuts. You can see they're cut out into the shape of the dog. And let's see what the tumbler looked like. This came out kind of cute, I guess. But anyways, they're not optimized for, these types of mockups. Anyways, you get the idea that this is really cool. I'll show you how the video mockup works real quick. So here you select what files you want on the video, okay? And like say you didn't want to show this, okay? You just click it off. But we'll say that and we'll say generate preview. And right now it's working to create the video. And like I said, for most listings, this is just great, because right now Etsy is really favoring video. So if you have no talent at this, this is the easiest thing you can do. All right, so here I'll play it for you. So, it just does nice zooming and panning and just a basic nice thing. Okay, and then you click submit and it'll show up on here as it's processing. So we'll do a video for each one of these with its own picture of each Yorkie, different Yorkie. So anyways, well, thank you for joining me today. I hope you're as excited as I am. This has been a lot of fun to use, and the link below in the description would really help me out. It doesn't cost you any extra. But anyways, until next time, I wish you nothing but success with what you're doing. Talk to you soon. Bye.